Welcome to this short tutorial on how to add subscript and superscript characters in WordPress easily. In this guide you will learn the process step by step so that you can quickly apply these formatting options to your text. To begin, open your web browser and visit the WordPress website. Once you are on the home page, locate the login option, which appears at the top right corner of the screen. Clicking on this login button will bring you to the sign in page where you can gain access to your account. After initiating the login process, you will see an option labeled Continue with Google. Select this option by clicking on it, and then choose the appropriate Google account that you usually use for editing your website. This method of logging in offers a streamlined pathway to getting into your WordPress dashboard without the hassle of remembering additional credentials. Once you have successfully logged in, look for the Quick Links section on your dashboard. This area is designed to provide fast access to the most commonly used features. Among these options you will find a link labeled Edit Site. Clicking Edit Site will direct you into the site editor, where you can manage and update various elements of your web content. Now that you are in the site editor, take a moment to navigate to the area of your page where you want to modify the text. Using your mouse or trackpad, click on the text area and highlight the specific content that you wish to alter. This might be text that requires special formatting, such as chemical formulas, mathematical equations, or academic references, where subscript and superscript notations are essential. With the text selected, move your attention to the navigation bar located within the site editor interface. Here you will find a drop-down menu which contains various formatting options. Click on this drop-down menu to reveal additional formatting commands. In this menu you will see options to apply unique styles to your selected text, including both subscript and superscript effects. Once you have opened the drop-down menu, carefully choose either the subscript or the superscript option, depending on the formatting you need. If you require subscript text, the selected text will appear slightly lower than the rest of the text, making it ideal for chemical formulas or mathematical expressions. Alternatively, if superscript is what your content calls for, the text will appear raised above the normal line, which is commonly used in footnotes, exponents, or citations. Each of these formatting options is designed to change the visual hierarchy of your text in a clear and professional manner. Before finalizing your changes, take a moment to review the updated text in the preview. This review ensures that the new formatting integrates well with the surrounding content and maintains the intended clarity and emphasis. Following these simple actions will allow you to seamlessly incorporate subscript and superscript formatting into your posts on WordPress. This tutorial is particularly useful for those who frequently work with specialized content that demands precise typographical styling. By following these clear steps, you can confidently enhance your posts without needing to worry about complex formatting tools. Thank you for listening to this easy step-by-step guide on adding subscript and superscript characters in WordPress. Enjoy the benefits of enhanced text presentation and improved visual clarity on your website.